Good evening, everybody, and welcome to problem class in electrostatic. So, one student have doubt question number 6. A square is given A, B, C, D, the vertices of the square, and square we have already known. A, B is equal to B, C is equal to C, D is equal to D, A. All sides are equal, and the angle between two adjacent sides is 90 degree. Listen. So at point A, charge is given 2 into 10 to the minus 7 coulomb. At B, minus 2 into 10 to the minus 7 coulomb. At C, minus 1 into 10 to the minus 7 coulomb. At D, 1 into 10 to the minus 7 coulomb. Listen. So question asks the net force act on A. Net force act on A is how much? That means resultant force act on vertex A. Listen. So due to B, B at B charge is negative, at A charge is positive. So force between A and B is attractive each other because unlike charges are present. So due to B, the force act on A is attractive force. This force is named as FAB. We have already discussed in theory class. FAB means force act on A due to B. Yes or no? So FAB means force act on A due to B. So FAB is attractive force. That's why FAB direction is in this direction. Yes or no? Similarly, due to D, force, this is the positive charge, this is the positive charge, but force act on A due to D is repulsive force. So this lining, the extend in this direction. So the force act on A is in this direction, that is named as FAD. Similarly, due to C, force act on A is in this line joining here. Here the negative charge is the positive charge. Force act on A is the force between A and C is attractive each other. So force act on A due to C is in this direction. That is named as FAC. Force act on A due to C. FAD means force act on A due to D. FAB means force act on A due to B. This problem already discussed, and again I will recall about this problem. So due to B, force is force act on A means FAB कितना होगा? FAB 9 into 10 to the power 9 into, we have already known F is beta Q1 Q2 R square. Beta below beta is 9 into 10 to the power 9. Q1 is what? Q1 is this or this. Yes or no? So magnitude of Q1 2 into 10 to the minus 7 into Q2 is similarly 2 into 10 to the minus 7 divided by distance. Distance is 0.05 centimeter. So 0.05 into meter is converted to meter in 10 to the minus 2. This one FAB is calculated. So similarly FAC is what? FAC 9 into 10 to the 9 into 2 into 10 to the minus 7 into 1 into 10 to the minus 7 divided by AC square. AC value of AC is what? AC is root 2 into side at You have already known in your 10th class. So what is the magnitude of diagonal of square? Square of, if square of side is a, so diagonal is root 2 into a. This is the formula of diagonal of square. So the value of AC, value of AC is what? ABC, AB, AD, CD is the side, AC is the diagonal. So value of AC is root 2 into side or AB. Yes or no? So AC is what? AC is root 2 into 0.05 into 10 to the minus 2 square. Yes or no? So you can calculate it. Yes or no? FAB is calculated, FAC is calculated. Similarly, remaining is FAD. FAD is what? FAD 9 into 10 to the 9 into discharge 1 into 10 to the minus 7 into 2 into minus 7 divided by FDA. Beta 9 into 10 to the 9 into discharge into distance between divided by distance between AD square. That means 9 into 10 to the 9 into discharge is 1 into 10 to the minus 7 into H 2 into 10 to the minus 7 divided by AD square. AD means side. So the side is what? 0.05 the centimeter. It converted to meter. So find out. But question asks the net force act on A is what? Net force act on A is what? This one. Here the net force means one force is here. FAC and FAD. Yes or no? So net force, that means one force act on FAD, another force act on FAB, FAC. Yes or no? So this is the angle 45 degree. We have already known. This is the 90 degree. This is the 90 degree. This is the 45 degree. So here FAB has, so FAC has two components. That means FAC, this is the 45 degree. FAC, this is the FAC angle, FAC. So FAC, in this direction one component is FAC cos 45 degree. Here FAC, two components. This is given. This has two components. One is vertical, one is horizontal. So if angle is theta, suppose this is the F, this is the F. This component is F cos theta. This component is F sin theta. We have already known in first year class. So this is the angle is what? This angle is the FAC. This is the FAC. This is the FAC cos 45 degree. This is the FAC sin 45 degree. Yes or no? So in this direction, total left case in this direction, that FAC cos 45 degree. FAC cos 45 degree is what? This is the value of FAC. This is the value of FAC. So convert this. This is the value of FAC into cos 45 degree 1 by root 2. This is the, suppose this is the named as FAC dash. FAC dash. Similarly, FAC cos 45 degree, FAC cos 45 degree. Similarly, you can find FAC cos 45 degree. You can find out. Similarly, FAC sin 45. FAC sin 45. Similarly, FAC is here. Sin 45 1 by root 2. So suppose FAC double dash, because FAC and FAC double dash is equal. FAC dash, FAC double dash are equal. Listen. So you can calculate it. Listen. So finally we can write here FAB plus FAC cos 45, FAC cos 45, FAC dash, FAC dash. This one. Similarly, this force is FAD. This one. Here FAC sin 45. In this force, so you can calculate FAD and FAC sin 45, which is greater. Suppose FAC, suppose FAC sin 45 degree is greater than FAD. So this is the side is named as horizontal side is named as FAC sin 45. So net force, this FAC sin 45 degree, FAC sin 45 degree is named as FAC double dash. So FAC double dash minus result of this side FAD, this side FAC. That means again I will redraw. FAD is in this direction, FAC dash, in this direction FAD, in this direction FAC double dash. So finally we can redraw. This angle is FAB plus FAC dash. This angle is FAC double dash minus FAD. Listen. FAD. So finally we can write net force F at A is what? FAB square, FAB plus FAC dash square plus FAC double dash minus FAD square. Listen. So net force act on A is FAB plus FAC dash square plus FAC double dash minus FAD square. Here FAB आपको मालूम होगा FAB क्या है. Again I will write value of FAB. value of FAB is what? FAB here 2 into 10 to the power minus 7, here minus 2 into 10 to the power minus 7, here A, here B. Listen. So you can write. So FAB is what? FAB is FAB is beta 9 into 10 to the power 9 into discharge into discharge divided by AB square. Discharge into discharge 2 into 10 to the power minus 7 into 2 into 10 to the power minus 7 divided by this is the 0.05 into centimeter is converted to meter into 10 to the power minus 2 square. FAB is calculated. Similarly, FAC dash already discussed. FAC कितना है? OA FAC dash this is the 45 degree. This is the FAC sin 45 degree is equal to m dash FAC dash. Listen, FAC dash means FAC into sin 45. FAC मालूम होगा. FAC कितना होगा? 9 into 10 to the power 9 FAC 10 to the power 9 into discharge 2 into 10 to the power minus 7 into discharge minus 1 into 10 to the power minus 7 divided by this is the we have already known AC is value of what? Root 2 into side. Root 2 into 0.05 into 10 to the power minus 2 square. FAC dash FAC sin theta. This is the value of FAC dash is this into sin point. Sin point means 1 by root. Yes or no? Previous class we discussed. So FAC dash calculated. Similarly, FAC double dash is calculated. Similarly, FAD is calculated. Putting the value of FAB, FAC dash, FAC double dash, FAD. Then find out the net force act on it. Listen. So this is the answer of question number 6. Yes or no? अगर any यहाँ इस क्वेश्चन में अगर डाउट फर्दर आएगा immediately inform me. Yes or no? So next question I will discuss. Yes or no? Next question you can write. So another question here. 2 points charge Q1 and Q2 and 3 meters away from each other. The sum of total charges 20 nanocoulomb, and they repel each other with a force of 0.075 Newton. To stop, find the value of two charges. This is a very easy question. First of all, you can write total charge sum of two charges Q1 plus Q2 is equal to 20 nanocoulomb into 20 into 10 to the minus 9 coulomb. This one. And repulsive force are occurs. Repulsive force means Q1 is positive, Q2 is positive, and also you can say Q1 is negative, Q2 also negative. So repulsive charge means 2 charges are similar charges, similar sign charges and like charges. Listen. So force is given. Force is what we have already known. Force between two charges beta 9 into 10 to the 9. Directly we can write Q1 Q2 by R square. R means 3 meter. R means 3 meter. 3 square. Force is given. Force is what? 0.075 is equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9 Q1 into Q2 by 9. So cancel each other. So finally write down Q1 into Q2 is what? 0.075 divided by 10 to the power 9. See the Q1 and Q2. But find the value of two charges. That means finally you have to find Q1 is dash, Q2 is dash. First of all, you have already studied in 8th class, 9th class and 10th class. Q1 minus Q2 square is equal to Q1 plus Q2 square minus 4Q1 Q2. Yes or no? So Q1 minus Q2 square is equal to Q1 plus Q2 square minus 4Q1 Q2. Whenever we have to find out Q1 and Q2 is equal to root over this. Yes or no? So Q1, Q2 is find out. You are known 20 into 10 to the minus 9 square minus 4 into Q1, Q2 is what? 0.075 by 0.075 by 10 to the power 9. Yes or no? So finally Q1 minus Q2 is 20 into 10 to the minus 19 square minus 4 into this root over. Yes or no? So Q1 plus Q2 is given, this is the value is Q1 minus Q2 is value of this. This is the Q1 minus Q. But this is the equation 1, this is the equation 2. Solving the equation 1 and 2. Solving, you can write solving equation 1 and 2. You can find, we can find Q1 is just Q2. Yes or no? This is the question. The next question we can solve. Another question is a easy question. That put the formula, get the answer. The charge on uranium nucleus is 1.5 in 10 to the minus 17 coulomb, and charge on alpha particle, this what is the electrostatic force between. That formula F is equal to beta Q1 Q2 by R square. Yes or no? So beta is 9 in 10 to the 9 into Q1 Qu, charge of uranium, Q alpha, charge of alpha. Charge of uranium is 1.5 into 10 to the minus 7. The charge of alpha is 3.2 into 10 to the minus 19. Divided by R square 1.0 into 10 to the minus 13 meter square. So find out the value of force. Yes or no? So next question you can try. So another question, the electrostatic force on a small sphere of charge 0.4 microcoulomb due to another small sphere of charge 0.8 microcoulomb in air is 0.2 Newton. What is the distance between two spheres? An easy question. That formula F is equal to beta Q1 Q2 by R square. So F is 0.2 into beta, value of beta is 10 to the 9 into Q1 is what? Q1 is the small sphere, one sphere, Q2 is the another small sphere. So Q1 is what? Distance between each, find out distance between, you have to find out. So Q1 is what? A charge Q1 is 0.4 microcoulomb minus 6 into Q2 is what? Charge of another sphere 0.8 into magnitude of charge 0.8 10 to the minus 6. You cannot write the minus 0.8 into 10 to the minus 6 because you have already known F is equal to beta magnitude of Q1 magnitude of Q2 by R. Magnitude means only positive. So beta Q1 Q2 divided by R square. So you can find value of R because these all are known but R is unknown. So you can find out value of R. The next question, what is the force on the second sphere due to first? That means the due to first question, due to Q1, this is the positive charge, this is the positive charge, this is the negative charge, because Q1 is the 0.4 into 10 to the minus 6, Q2 is the minus 0.8 into 10 to the minus 6. Negative charge, positive charge, force between two charges are attractive. Due to this charge, force act on this. Because the electrostatic force on a small sphere on a charge, this due to another small sphere. Suppose this is the small sphere, this is the small sphere. Force due to this charge on this charge. Force act on sphere 2 due to 1 is in this direction, F21. Similarly, force act on 1 due to this charge is in this direction, F12. Here F21 is equal to F. We have already known theory class, F21 magnitude is equal to F12, because F21 means beta Q2 Q1 by R square, and F12 means beta Q1 Q2 by R square. So F12 is equal to F21. You can find out F12 value is beta Q1 Q2 by R square. Similarly, F21 is beta Q2 Q1 by R square. So total F12 is F12 magnitude of F21 is equal to F12. Same. So force act on this charge due to this charge is equal to force act on this charge due to this charge is equal. That means second question B, what is the force on the second sphere due to first? That means first force, this force is equal to this force. That means the B, the answer is 0.2 Newton. That means force act on this charge due to this is 0.2 is given, and question asks force act on this charge due to this charge is how much? Same thing, same answer, 0.2 Newton. Yes or no? One force act on this body due to this is 0.2 Newton. Similarly, force act on this body due to this body is 0.2. Similar, because due to force, magnitude of force is equal. You have already known in theory class. Yes or no? So the next question we will study in next class. Yes or no? Thank you.